Good evening and welcome to Market Watch. US stocks fall sharply as investors are dumping equities amid a rapidly spreading coronavirus outbreak that raised fears of a possible global recession. The Dow Jones Industrial Average Index fell more than 1,000 points earlier. The Dow Jones is now down 896 points at 24,852. On tonight's Market Watch, we're joined by the Director of Market Making of Haitong International, Mr. Joseph Hermes, on the line live from New York. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
U.S. stock market is expected to fall further. What do you expect the Federal Reserve will do?
As we fight through this massive sell-off, traders and investors are reassessing the chances that the Federal Reserve will lower interest rates as soon as next month. People are betting that the coronavirus will force the central bank's hand, despite recent statements from indicating they aren't yet convinced that any action is needed. Federal funds futures, which traders use to bet on the path of central bank policy, showed yesterday afternoon that investors believe that there is a 72% chance that the Fed will lower its key policy rate by a quarter point at its March 17th to 18th meeting.
Meanwhile, Baidu's earnings for the fourth quarter beat estimates, but is warned about the first quarter of 2020. What is the outlook of the company's earnings?
Yes, search engine giant Baidu nearly doubled its profit in the fourth quarter as it pushed into areas related to artificial intelligence, autonomous driving, and smart speakers. Profit jumped 95% to $132 billion, while revenue was higher by 6%. When talking about their future outlook, Baidu predicted that the revenue may slide as much as 13% this quarter, joining its fellow technology giants in warning about the impact of the coronavirus. Baidu is currently down 1.85% at 117.69.
Joseph, thank you for your insight. Now let's look at the Dow Jones again. The Dow Jones is now down 903 points at 24,862. And that's Market Watch for tonight. Thank you for watching.